welcome to my channel. I did a voting poll whether or not contestants should be a tour of my device. So, let's get started, shall we? Yeah, let's so first, because I have wallpapers, these are my apps, I have like Fuka Boca, I fully computer. I have Minecraft, it has like 2 mods, I think. Cookie yeah. I'm not saying all that. Then here is my sidebar. Don't question my games and the period. I share an account, alright. And then we have look well, I'm not a king, but this is where I make all my stuff. So it's very quickly the silent is good. They're not fixable, but like you know. So like that's it. Okay, goodbye.